It's all determined on how long it will take to make the piece and how heavy the ring would be or the pendant might be when it's finished, and also the carat weights of the stones that we might add to the design.
A lot of the time it's items of jewellery that have possibly been passed down through the family, like heirlooms, that possibly isn't exactly their style.
Sometimes we get a ring that's passed down to someone that might have a 5 or 6 sizes difference in a ring gauge. We might sometimes even suggest using a larger or smaller stone.
9 times out of 10 bespoke pieces actually weigh more in physical weight of metal, and so inevitably the value of the item goes up.
You know, you can't really predetermine the weight of the metal.
If it was a plain wedding band, for instance, I think it's much easier to put a price to it, because then we'd kind of work on a lightweight or a medium weight or a heavyweight. I think when you're sort of talking about slightly more intricate pendants or rings or earrings with stone set pieces, it becomes quite difficult to put a weight and therefore a price per gram of metal to it. Firstly,
The amount of time it'll take to produce that piece. So if it's a really intricate design, could have quite a big influence in the price. Then the type of metal that would be used. Platinum, but 9 karat gold will obviously be half the price of 18 karat gold. We've got another blog and a video about the different densities of gold and platinum. Then whether we add any stones, so all stones are measured by the carat weight, so we will work out the carat weight, and on the total of that weight, that could have a big influence on the price.
Sometimes things will be completely handmade, and other times it will be 3D modelling on a computer.
The best way I can put it is you pay for someone's time. That time we spend doing that is much less than actually hand making an item. If you have an idea and you would like something made, we don't charge to work out a price or an estimate. So the best way, you've got nothing to lose. You know, we are both based in our Kingston upon Thames branch, and we can be contacted by telephone, or you are also very welcome to email us. You can also walk into any one of our Burrells stores.